Now to the search for a killer in Queens. New video shows the suspect wearing traditional Hasidic attire and then walk up to a car and shoot a man in the head point blank. We want to warn you here, it is difficult to watch this video. You can see, though, the suspect who's on the left side of your screen working under the hood of a car, or at least pretending to, and then he runs across the street and just opens fire. News 4's Miles Miller is live in South Ozone Park with the search for that gunman. Miles?
Adam, Jermaine Dixon had been looking over his shoulder for weeks, almost as if he knew someone was coming for them. And that is what happened just a few days ago, right here on this street. Who would want Jermaine Dixon dead? That's the question detectives in the 106th precinct are trying to answer after the Labor Day execution behind this hotel on South Conduit Avenue. The chilling video starts as Dixon walks across the street. A man disguised in traditional Hasidic garb is sitting in this car. When sources say he spots Dixon with his hood open, he pretends to work on the vehicle, and as soon as Dixon gets in the car, shoots him twice, then takes off. Detectives tell News 4 they believe this was a hit. Dixon had a significant amount of money on him, and it stayed that way when detectives processed the car and the crime scene. Dixon spent time in federal prison in New Jersey on drug trafficking and racketeering charges, but was released early. Sources say they're looking into the possibility that the person who shot and killed him believed he was cooperating with the government against the co-defendants in the case, who were sentenced to prison along with him. Dixon had been staying at a Comfort Inn 500 feet from where he was killed, and every time he walked to the rental car, police sources say he would look around him. Detectives saying almost as if he knew he was being targeted. Dixon was charged in that case along with his brother. His brother is still in federal prison, serving life in federal prison, a connection with cocaine sales and a murder, all of it happening back in the 90s in Brooklyn. The search is on for the suspect in this incident. We are live in South Ozone Park. I'm Miles Miller, News 4 New York. Back to you.
Okay,